Hi, good evening, friends. Hope all of you are doing great. So, finally, we are in the last week and the monthly expiry of November, and it has been an eventful month. Nifty has given a solid rally of 6%, 5 to 6% this month, and Diwali has brought a lot of cheers in the market. Even the Fed, their comment, it appeared to be dovish, and this has been a fabulous month for all of us, for investors and traders as well. Even stocks have given stellar returns in this month. So let us analyze Nifty. And before that, I wish all of you a very happy Guru Purnima, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Kartika Purnima. Wishing all of you a lot of happiness in your lives. Now let us analyze Nifty for next week, for the monthly and as well as the weekly expiry. So for next week, like our Nifty, it has been like compressed in the range of 19,500 to 19,800. Within 300 to 200 points, Nifty is consolidating, and FII, their long position is currently around 21%, which means short position is around 79 to 80%, and still they have a long way to go. So that is why for me, once 19,850 or 19,900 crosses, there will be a good short covering for this week. And as well as we have the election results, although that will be on Sunday, it will be announced, but still we can take a guess if markets will try to go down or markets will try to go up. We can try to analyze like what the election results will be, which has some importance for the stock market as well. In November 30, last week, like on expiry, there will be like RBI monetary policy, India's growth rate, and there will be some like US Fed comments as well. So these will be some factors which will be affecting markets in this week. And there will be like December 1st, which is Friday, there will be some S&P global manufacturing PMI, that is a data which one has to keep an eye. US market also, like we can see how US market will end today, and how the things will go for this week. So I am expecting once 19,900 breaks out, there will be a good short covering. So we have to keep an eye on that range. So let us see for the last week what we had strategized. For the previous week, what we wanted to do was, our outlook was, since market is consolidating, that will be continued for the current week, for which we had taken this short strangle trade. And it is actually iron condor. We have brought the hedges, and stop loss was 5 minutes of Nifty below 19,500 or above 2050. Then we would close this trade for 1% of gains. Now let us check whether our strategy stop loss was hit. I hope not, because we have taken the suitable range. We have sold 19,450 put and 2,100 call, so obviously our stop loss is not hit. Opening the charts of Nifty, today it is closed. Yeah, opening the first daily chart just to see. Yeah, we can see Nifty has been in consolidation for the entire week. Monday it opened somewhere around 19,731. Friday it ended, the low was somewhere around 19,760. Like totally a flat week the previous week. Now what next? What can we take for next week? So before that, let's study the monthly trade. So last month, like month end will be this Saturday, like this Saturday, Sunday. So by Friday we will know this November candle, and if the monthly candle closes above this range of 20,000, that will be very positive, because Nifty has been consolidating, taking resistance from the level of 20,000 from July high was somewhere around 19,999, like 20,000, and then again September it tried to breach 20,220, and that there it faced some resistance. And now October there was great selling because of FII, and on November, Nifty has from the low of 18,973, Nifty is currently trading at a like high of 19,800. So let us see, this is a very crucial week, crucial month. RSI at monthly level, it has increased from the lows of 61 to 64. MACD is also showing some positivity. MACD at a monthly level is showing positivity, which is a great thing. Yeah, at a weekly level, we can see this was a week with very tight consolidation. and let us keep an eye on next week. So I am expecting next week can be similar to this week of September 11, in which Nifty opened around 19890, which I say is a resistance, 19900, 19890. If that crosses, then Nifty can easily hit a high of 2200. So we have to keep in mind at the weekly figure. And support is obviously at 19600, and resistance, first resistance, we have to keep an eye of 19900. Once that breaks, one can surely be positive for this week. MSCI is indicating positivity, and RSI has improved from 49 to 59, which suggests strength is fully back in the market. So above 60, that will be confirmed. So RSI suggests Nifty has lot of inherent strength. What strategy I will take for next week? So for next week, I am planning to take this strategy. So since I am slightly bullish, I have a bullish bias on today's holiday, tomorrow for 3 days, if you can get 3% return, it will be fabulous. So that's why I am planning to sell 19500 put, hedge it by buying 19300 put for because current week it has not much premium left, so we can take for December 7 expiry. And what will be the stop loss for this trade? Stop loss for this trade will be 5 minutes of Nifty. Stop loss we have to always keep in mind. If 5 minutes of Nifty closes below 19600, then we will exit this trade. Otherwise I am planning, so this is 3% for 2 weeks. So once we get around 1 to 1.2%, we can exit this trade as per one's convention. So this is my strategy for next week. Analyzing first last at a daily level. Yeah, so daily level we can see this consolidation is continuing. Nifty is facing resistance at 19900, 875 level. So if Nifty stays for 5 minutes above 19900, it will lead to good short covering. So thank you friends, that will be all. Keeping an eye on 19900 levels and seeing if Nifty is managing to break out of this level. Thank you.